This video is to demonstrate the processing of 3M's double-sided adhesive. I will be using the Universallezer Ultra 9 system. To begin, I'm going to use the direct import feature to upload my DXF file. I'm going to take my USB drive and plug it directly into the port. In the upper left-hand corner, I will select the drop-down menu and press Control Files. In the bottom right-hand corner, press the blue plus, and you can directly upload your file from your USB. One unique feature of the Ultra 9 system is the downdraft honeycomb cutting table. In order to process materials cleanly, I used a paper mask that comes with the cutting table, pulled it over the entirety of the processing bed, and turned on the vacuum pump. The high-pressure vacuum pump enables the material to lay completely flat on the table for processing. I'm going to place my 3M sample directly on the honeycomb table. Once you have uploaded your graphic file, you're ready for processing.